How to pay using gift cards in McDonald's. Let's get started. Launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. First up, you'll need to select the items to make your order. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head over to the option of order. Now here you can explore the menu and select the items that you wanna order. Select the items and select whether you want to make it as a meal or you want to order it normally. I have selected as a meal. Once you have selected all the items that you want to order, you can proceed to checkout. At the bottom left corner, you will see the option of checkout. Click on that option. Once you are done selecting the items, you can check out. Click on the option of go to checkout. Now in this page, you're going to find all the details, your shipping address, phone number. Ensure everything is correct. Now here you'll see the option of choose payment method. Click on that option. You'll find GrabPay, Boost, Malaysian e-banking, cash or gift certificate, debit or credit card as your payment method. In order to use your gift card as your payment method, you can select this option of cash or gift certificate. And now you can place your order. So this is how you can easily pay using gift cards in McDonald's app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.